Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create number list with line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create number list with lines. Firstly, create the text box, click the text box and go to the home menu. Then click the numbering option. Then choose the 1 to 3 numbering. Then press shift on our keyboard and press the hyphen. Then enter and continue the numbering list. Now we can see we create a number list with line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.